What do you want? What? You ain't getting no more treats. You done had I don't know how many treats today. And you still got food over there you haven't eaten. What do you want? Hmm? I can't hear you. What? Mm, what? What? No more treats. Sorry. You have eaten enough treats today. You ain't even finished your food. Go finish your food. Yeah, go finish your food. Go eat. Go eat. No more treats, buddy. Not tonight. I'll give you some tomorrow. You ready to go to bed? You ready to go to bed? You ready to go to bed? You ain't ready to go to bed, is you? Why you looking at me like that?